So I'm here at Coventry Motofest with Dazz and his Suzuki GSXR 1000. This one's had a turbocharger added to it to make it the world's first 9-second wheelie road legal motorcycle. Why is the first question in my mind.
Why not?
Why not indeed? Okay, so is this totally custom or have you used a kit that's already existing?
We bought a kit and put a kit on it, modified it. It's basically evolved over the last 7 or 8 years to what it is now. It started off with a pretty stock engine, just a turbo kit, and then we built it up through the years to the standard it's at now.
So you say it's evolved. I assume from there's more evolutions to come?
It's pretty much how we want it now. We want to keep it as a road bike. We could put more power in it quite easily just by turning the boost up, and it will be 400 odd horsepower. But then you're not going to have reliability. It's road legal. I use it on the road. I've ridden it to the Isle of Man, been round Mallory Park on it, and we just want to keep it reliable and roadworthy. So
The insurance must be a bit of a pain.
the insurance is actually quite cheap because they know you've built the bike and you want to take good care of it. You don't want to throw it down the road. They know you're an enthusiast, so the insurance is actually pretty good.
Excellent. So one last question. Money no object. You could do this again to any bike. What would it be?
I'll sort of like some of the old school stuff, so I'd probably go for a GSX 1100 EFE and turbocharge that and just have it as a bit of a fun drag bike.
Excellent. Thank you very much and enjoy your weekend.